Welcome to Qodly. In this demo, you'll learn how to use the REST API of a Qodly app. First, create a sandbox. Choose the shopping cart demo. Open your app. Welcome to Qodly Studio. Let's preview the app and generate data. Checking the Data Explorer. Well done! On the Qodly app dashboard, there's an API keys section with an endpoint URL for external REST accesses. Let's copy it and try to read the products using this URL. We need to be authenticated with an API key, so now let's learn how to authenticate on this endpoint URL. Back to Qodly Studio. We set up some roles and privileges. Only the Read Product privilege can read the product data class. The Employee role contains the Read Product privilege. Let's generate an API key named Employee, corresponding to the Employee role. So easy to copy it and set it as the API key header. And now, reading the products is possible. Let's go further. We create an extended privilege containing the Read Product privilege. Only the extended privilege can read the price attribute. Let's create the Manager role containing the extended privilege. What about reading the products with the Employee API key? The price attribute is not returned because the employee does not have the extended privilege. We generate an API key for the Manager role. Let's copy it. Now, we use the Manager API key and clear the cookies to open a new session on the server. Let's read the products. Because we use the Manager API key, we can read the price attribute. What about creating data? Now only the extended privilege can create product. So does the Manager role in the product data class. We have added this simple create function, which creates a product. We still use the Manager API key. Let's pass an object in the body and run the create function. The product has been created. Thanks for watching.